हालात बड़े मुश्किल है, तंग आ गए, इतना तंग आ गए ना, ऐसा लगता है जैसे दोज़ख में पढ़ते हैं। लेकिन वो छोटे छोटे आना पढ़ते थे, सीखते थे, वो तो बड़ा शौक है बच्चों को। लेकिन मुझे जब ये भी आया जो मुश्किल है किताबों कोई खर्चे की, इस वजह से मैं चुप हो रहती हूँ। लेकिन बच्चे अपने शौक से जाते हैं। लेकिन मेरे को डर ये आता है, मेरे अपने आदमी से डर आता है, वो लेके ना जाए। दो दफा मेरी बच्ची को लेके जाके भाग गया।
Particularly the slums, it's very bleak. Why? Because again there is no education here, no medical facilities, no financial stability. Most of the women, they are suffering. They suffer every day. Most of their husbands are either not in their houses or they are drug addicts again. They are beaten, they are sold, most of them are into prostitution.
यहाँ पे हालात सही नहीं है, यहाँ पे बहुत मुश्किल से लोगों का गुजारा होता है और पढ़ाई का खर्चा नहीं उठा सकते ये लोग, और बच्चियाँ उठ जाती हैं, रेप हो जाता है उनका, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत मुश्किल है। शौहर जो है बीवियों को मारते हैं ताकि वो लोग कमाएं और पैसा लाएं, और खुद काम नहीं करते, बैठे रहते हैं, जुआ खेलते रहते हैं, नशा करते हैं, पर काम नहीं करते, बीवियों से काम करवाते हैं। वो बच्चे कैसे पढ़ाएं या घर का खर्चा कैसे चलाएं, तो उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है। यहाँ पे ही मैंने आके पढ़ाई भी शुरू की, यहीं पे आके सीखे। आप के स्कूल में सारे बच्चों को भी लेके आए हैं, बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत खुश हैं आपके स्कूल में बहुत ज़्यादा, और यहीं से हमने सारी चीज़ें सीखी। पढ़ाना बहुत अच्छी बात है, आप पढ़ाएं, काम नहीं करवाएं। माएँ बच्चों को लेके जाती हैं अपने साथ काम कराने के लिए ताकि ये लोग घरों में काम करें। हम उनको बताते हैं आपके स्कूल में आएँ, मैडम बहुत अच्छी, यहाँ पे ना फीस लेती है ना दाखला, आप पढ़ाएं।
In the beginning, these kids didn't know what their future holds. Someone wanted to be a rickshaw driver or a mechanic or a grave digger, But now these kids want to be a doctor or an engineer or a lawyer. It is quite encouraging for a person. It gives me hope. This is an ongoing process. No one can just come here for a day or two and give a speech and then go away. If a person wants to work, then he or she needs to be here. They need to show their presence here and they need to do basic work. It doesn't require that you should be giving in money all the time. It's not about money, it's about an effort. What are you doing? How are you going to help these kids? Are you giving them time? Are you coaching them? Are you giving them direction? They need attention, they need someone to talk to. They need someone to guide them. So why are we targeting this area? We are targeting this area particularly because we want to educate the women here. Why educate the women here? Because if we educate the women here, they will be able to educate their kids. They should know their human rights and basic civil rights. Now women here don't know their basic civil rights. If they are sold to their husband and literally sold to their husband, they think that it is okay. It's not okay to be sold in a marriage. It's not okay to bear kids and not to do anything about it. It's not okay to die bearing kids and not to go to a doctor because some religious scholar told you that a man cannot touch you while you're in labor. This is wrong. So a woman should know her rights and she should stand up for her rights and for her girls' rights and for her kids' rights. At AAP, we believe that every child is a diamond. Every child deserves a chance for a better future. He deserves a chance to grow. Every child should be catered. He should be developed into the best possible version of himself, and we are giving him that chance. AAP means water. Water means life. We are providing life to all these kids. Now they have dreams. They didn't have any dreams before. Now they have dreams. They have dreams to become someone important in a society. They have dreams to do something big. They have dreams that they can be of value to someone. Now they know their value.